You use Google every day, you search for solutions, fun, and answers to prove your friends wrong, but did you know that you can use this to make big money online? Yes, there's a website that will pay you by searching Google. You can use it on your phone, on your laptop, or computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, as long as you have access to the internet. And if you watch this video until the end, I will explain to you step by step how to do this, so you can start making money right now. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, this is going to be really easy since you'll only be using two websites, and the first one is google.com, and I'm going to show you the second one in a minute. So the first one is to open Google and leave it like that. Okay, so the main website that we will be using combined with Google so we can make money by searching on Google is going to be mindsumo.com. But you must keep watching because if you just go over straight to this website and you try to figure it out on your own, you will not know what to do because I'm going to show you this simple Google trick that will actually allow you to get paid a lot of money with MindSumo. So I'm going to show you how to combine those two in order to make money just by searching Google. And I'm also going to explain you exactly how this works, and if you allow each and every step during this video, by the end of it, you will be ready to make money as I said. As you can see, MindSumo has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world, so you know it's worth it. Like they've been working with Pepsi, with Johnson & Johnson's, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and a lot more. So you can see all of these are some of the biggest companies in the entire world, and take a look at how much money is there to be made. Like one simple search can be $800, $800, $1,600, $800, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of money to be made here. Now, you will just need to sign up to mindsumo.com by clicking here where it says log in or sign up. Then, since you don't have an account yet, you will obviously click don't have an account yet, so you can sign up for absolutely free. You will answer first name, your last name, your country, your email address. You create a unique password right here, and you will select your birth date and gender. And then you will need to rate yourself in the following skill areas. So you'll need to select creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Now this is really optional, but I recommend you select something like average proficiency or above average proficiency, regardless of what your skills actually are. But this is going to give you high scores of making more money. So I would select average proficiency, and once again, average proficiency. Now, you don't have to tick these three boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email list, and that's obviously not what you want. You don't want to spam emails or whatsoever. So you'll just need to take these boxes to accept their terms and conditions and their privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these links. And just click the sign up and you already have an account in mindsumo.com. And once again, you log into your account, you scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able to see all of these different challenges or questions and projects, which you can answer and get paid for doing that. You can see they're paying only from a couple of hundreds of dollars all the way up to like thousands of dollars basically. And here in the left hand side, you're gonna be able to see different categories which you can select. So there are definitely gonna be no shortage of money to be made on these websites, since there are new questions, new projects, and new challenges coming in every single day. Let me just show you some past projects. Like if I open up, for example, This one over here, you're gonna be able to see how much money people have been making with this challenge alone. You could see the total budget was $1,600. As you can see, the top 5 share $1,000. So if you're in the top 5, you're gonna be able to make $200 in this case. Sometimes it's gonna be a lot more than that, but stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you'll be able to get paid to search Google. Anyways, I want to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then you just select any of these projects you like and enter that project. So you can see they're going to ask you a questions right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win a share of $1,600. So what's the Google trick here? Well, here's what you only need to do. You need to copy this question right here, copy that, go over to Google and paste the question right here. So we can find an answer here on Google. You can go through all of these articles. For example, open up this one and try to find if there is an answer to our question. So once again, this question was, how can artificial intelligence technology help us write? And you can see that this is exactly what we're looking for. So they're giving examples of how that could look like. So this is a really professional answer that will most likely be one of the top shares on here. And you saw how easy that was. All I did was I just copied this. I just went over to Google and searched for that question. And I have an answer right here. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So the next thing I need to do is to edit the answer a little bit. So how do I do that? You need to go back to Google and search for Google Docs. Make sure to search for Google Docs and open on this website, docs.google.com. This is their official website. Now I can click on blank right here, click that and go back to the article. Then you can copy and paste some of the answers. Go back, copy another one and paste them right here. So the longer the answer is, the higher the chances for you to make money. If your answer is more profound and longer, and now you can, of course, edit this. You can change the font, the color, and some other words. As you can see, it's fully customizable and it's really easy. So you just search for the answer on Google, edit it in Google Docs, and once you're done, just click File, go to Download, and download as a PDF document. Once you open that document, it's gonna look something like this. As you can see, this is really professional. And once you have it on your computer, come back here and submit the answer. And you will most likely be in a share of $1,600. Now bear in mind, you will not win a full $1,600. You will need to share that with your other participants. But as you saw, it was really easy and it took me less than 5 minutes to find the answer from Google. Now this article was actually completed. It says you can see it's done, so I would need to find something that is actually opened and then submit my answers. So for example, this one, all you need to do again is just search in Google for the answer, then just click I have an idea to log into my account and my email address, my password, and then submit the answer. So that's how easy it is. Just by searching on Google, there's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not a guarantee that you'll always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, but it will take you just a couple of minutes. It's really easy, and as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like. So why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? So I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.